One, two, three, resist!
O tua tatakiau Whakaulo ai mahama iho kuloto Pea ngau hiau Koe whetu ungingila Ko koe ai mahalohi moe mafi mafi o tua tatakiau Whakaulo ai mahama iho kuloto Pea ngau hiau Koe whetu ungingila Ko koe ai mahalohi moe mafi mafi Lay down, my dear brother. Lay down and take a rest. I'm gonna lay your head upon your Savior's chest. And I love you, but Jesus loves you best. I bid you good night. Good night. Good night. I bid you good night. Good night.
Get up there! Get him, James, go! Get him! Take that up! Good boy! Get on him! Easy. Boys. Wait, that's one. Who wants it? Yes, Baxter. Held there! Back with me! Go left! Go left, Tom! Get off the line! Jack, get him up! Get him up the line! Harley, get him up! Start simple, build up to it. Great start. Give him a pat. That's good team, please. Pressure. Now let's keep going. Get on this ball, boys. Big back set. Make sure you run that lead. Come to you. Xander, hop off. Boys, get a run up, don't go past him, go as a line. Name on the ball, boys, name on the ball. Get on side, Jack. Here now. Back with me. Wait. That's three. All right, halves. Let's get it set, Levi.
No, it wasn't for him. He's running a lead.
One-on-one.
Press up! Press up! Right! Up, up! Scott! Let's go! Hold set up! Take it back! Hold set up! Take it up! Right side! Missing!
Good pass.
Set it up! Preston!
Take it back. Wait.
Up now.
Wait. That's three. XY.
Righto, big boys.
Make it back! All the way, that's three! Move it now, he had that, that's four! Get up! Go, boys!
Oh, Cruzito, good ball movement out here. That's awesome. It'll be on all day.
Nathaniel! Nathaniel!
Nathaniel!
Be ready for shape right. Nathaniel, get there! Shape right, get there! Get there!
Well read.
Alright, so they have to, if the effort's not there, get to it over the line. And the thing with Nathaniel, get a second rower out.
Oi, Nathaniel.
That one. Hey, Levi. Get to it. Levi. Get to it. Pick this set. Go on, mate. Thank you. We're just going to get 3 steps, so I think you'll have a run, mate. You can go. Hey, boys. Let's do this. Alright? Or else they're going to keep putting you on your arm.
Mate! Mate!
Good work, Theo. Big bugging, you alright?
Set up, let's go!
Get on this ball.
Put a name on it! What's your pin?
Get on that dragon.
Malika! Get him up, Levi, get him up! Get up, Jack, get up, Ethan, get up!
comes back to diving on it there, and it should go. Let's go. Back up. Go on from this. Okay, we'll get both second rolls. We'll go second rolls. So Charlie and Owen both you go. And then we get a hook off. You go. Owen, Charlie, Finn, Missy.
Keep the thumb out there, baby. Good passing.
Good start.
His kicking is better than the senior yesterday. Even if it's like stick.
Come this side.
Same with Fernando. They tried. When let's say Jeff, since I'm on this side, I bring it to you over there. And I go over to the
London.
Then I catch a kick. Xander goes for 2 balls. Then he comes over here. Me with the ball over there. We planned it out.
Nathaniel. Go, quick. Now go, Nathaniel, get in there. Go. Be up now. Simple boys. Get him up, Cliff. Oh, shots in ya. Push up. Turn around, boys.
Wedge.
Nice straight.
They're off. Get deep. Dom and Cruzito, stay deep. Let it come.
One defense.
Let's go, push up. Righto, be ready here. It's on for you, boys.
Wait! Oh!
Force mistake. Got it. Go out there. Get ready straight off the scrum. Tell Nick go wing. Push Monday back to second row. Go straight on. Cruzito's off. Cruzito's already off. Push Nick to left wing.
Nathaniel! Nathaniel!
Matty. Push back second row. Jermaine's going front.
Get over forward, out. Get on the line. Winger. Not out.
With me here!
Up, please.
Hey, Cliff, Paxton, Josh, let's go. Cliff, Paxton, Josh, let's go. Go! Good boy, good run. Keep playing, go. Get up. Good pick. Pull off.
Right side, Jim.
Help him. Go from shouldering.
Come right.
Played it to the side, mate. You gotta play it up and down. Get tighter, boys. Get tighter. Push it a bit. No, it's like block and then you like Come on, Connor. Hey, tackle.
Go Jermaine.
That was sideways.
Go Lecker.
Pull him out, Ethan.
He said he pulled back the fullback.
Pull him out, Cliff. Pull him out. Get up the line. Nathaniel, take two.
Yeah, Nick!
Get him out, out.
Help him. Good boy. Get wide, boy.
Here he is!
That's it. Good run.
Yeah, good shot.
Well there, make it back. Get up and play. Get up, play it. Go.
And again, Preston.
Good work.
Right side, your boy. Right side.
And Lecker. And Jermaine.
Hey, how's it?
Wait. Discipline here, right? Discipline. He's going to pick everything.
How about we let him play footy?
Pass. Go, Connor. Go, Connor.
He's gone.
Oh, boys, we haven't got any time. Nah, we'd rather just score in the corner. And there's like no big goal. Or in camera.
Mate, 100 metre try. Cliff. Cliff, Jack. You go back to second row, Jack to front.
Do you want me to go stand to that?
Yeah, mate.
Stay on here.
Stay on the sideline, you can run into it.
Watch sideline.
Middle, too fast, middle.
Let's go.
Back to it. Right side here, right.
Stand, drive, there you go.
Right side here. Right side to right. Take it back.
Oh, go, Connor.
Now spread it right. Scotland, Levi. Go. Forward. Get deep, wingers. Deep, Levi. Get deep. Levi, deep.
Tony Milos, boys.
Up here. Drag.
Middle.
Go.
Wide speed. Let's get off. Let's go, move up with it. Stay there. Rolling.
Work from marker.
Head going up.
Nathaniel, have a go. Pack in.
Boys, just tackle them here.
Levi, for Nathaniel.
Connor, come across.
Turn it, boy.
Which one?
right than I thought.
I thought we were going to left.
$100, mate. You're in between two churches and you're getting it. Made a long church, going on another.
Well, you know what you can do? You can make a bet with two people. Let's go, Joshy, what do you got? Ian, organise, let's go, depth. Nathaniel, no passiveness, get up there, we're attacking. Oh, sorry, drop out, sorry. Righto, go. Get it up there, give it to Kian. Cliff, forward. Cliff, two pass. Kian. Two pass, Cliff here, two pass, Cliff. Kian. Get it to Cliff, here. Cliff, go ask it, Cliff. Two pass, Cliff. Two pass! Ian, have a look! Dip, Cliff! Dip!
Inala, can you come up to do your team ID checks, please, Inala? Inala, can you come up to do your ID checks, please, Inala? Thank you.
Bust it out.
Watch it.
Move up, Harry. Dania. Connor, ball.
It's our penalty. Connor.
Connor.
Come this way. Stay. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. They'll come to you.
Quick pass. All in front. Run back,
And original too. Like it's hard to make it work, eh?
Kathy.
Boy! Good work, boys. Good day. Go, go. Help him! Henry, stay out. Tell him to keep going. Yeah. See what stuff is on.
Let's actually run.
Bring Preston off, push the Charlie off. So, here we go. Okay. Jermaine! Connor! Jermaine, Preston! Preston! Jermaine! Charlie, lock! Oh, when you're asleep here, that's what I mean, you've got to be always on, it doesn't matter. Lead runner, always on. You've got to on the right side, expect to. You want to go? Lincoln, hook up.
Good.
Short! How about now?
Tell Paxton straight out of the scrum.
Come on. Next play.
Look, head in.
this way, Kia. Deeper, Josh, deeper. Deeper. She's next to you.
You're trying to fake you can smell it. It's yours. We'll get Jermaine to warm up. Go with him, Onyx, go with him. Quick play, let's go.
Chase, Ethan, chase!
Good boy. Go again, Ethan, go again.
Chase, Ethan!
Let's hit it on him.
Forward! Hit it!
Help him.
Lay on it!
Onyx, get ready, chase.
Chase, chase.
Chase, Onyx, chase.
Chase! Chase is good!
Chase, Onyx, chase, Onyx, go. Go, Onyx. Keep in the corner. Let's go, let go up there.
Levi, run! Levi! Come on!
You got anything in your legs happening?
You done, buddy? Okay.
Get on it! On the red, on the red! Get up there, take the run!
What do you got, Cliff? Let's see it. Red line. Tell him that. Quick. Good run. Here he goes. Quick. We gotta get it early. Get it on there, take, quick.
Bring forward. Onyx, go second row. I'm not trying to send you back out. Coach, any other stuff I'm going home. Just maybe. With a stinger.
Harley, kick it left. Kick it left. Left, yours. Zach, go on. Zach, get in there. Go, Terry, go.
Keep going! Go! No.
Go with him.
Nice, Sunya.
Go with him.
Go again, lekker. Go! Get on that.
Kick for it.
Joshy! Harley, over here.
Superman.
Yeah, keep working. 5 more minutes, yeah? Boys, let's finish strong. Finish strong, let's go.
Over here.
Nice.
Over here.
What are you doing? Scoot it!
Let's go, keep the pressure.
Again, Lolo.
Yeah, shift right. Come on, again. Where you going? Go, hit him. Push him.
Nice, on there.
Shift. They're going
Push out.
Go with him.
Up in there.
Go, Lola.
That's two.
Two pass, two pass. Go, Lola. Go with him. Two pass, let's go. Jack, get it into Josh, go. Get it out to Josh now. Around there. Go with it! Who's next? Go, Lola! Have a run! Go on it! Go on it! Go on it! Go on it! Yes, boy! You got 30 seconds, boys. Play through. Boys, there's a couple. A little bit left.
30 seconds.
It's the chicken chase, boys. Connor, you good, bro? Good field, boys. Keep it tight. Chuck it out, chuck it out. That's it, that's it.
Help it.
Well done, mate. It's looking good out there. Good luck to the year, boys. Good luck to the year, boys. Good stuck in all that. Well done, boys. Well played, lads.
Yeah, we will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser. Got the fire in my soul. Every step, every breath, getting closer to my goal. Haters gonna hate, but I keep my head high. Eyes on the prize, reaching for the sky. No pain, no gain. It's the anthem of the streets. With the heart of a lion, we will never face defeat. No pain, no gain. We rise above the flames, through the fire, through the rain. We embrace the change. No pain, no gain. We conquer every chain. With the struggle comes the strength. We will never be the same. No pain, no gain. We rise above the flames, through the fire, through the rain. We embrace the change. No pain, no gain. We conquer every chain. With the struggle comes the strength. We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser. Got the fire